Good morning, guys. I am currently doing some laundry because I have some laundry in the dryer. But I'm going to go ahead and make breakfast and then start school. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. The dog has like really bad dry severe spots, and so I've been like treating that and stressing over that because she's also been biting and scratching the living crud out of her body. So that's just been so lovely. Let me go ahead and pull out some eggs because, girl, we go through eggs like water, okay? This box probably lasts me about a week. I don't know if that's good or bad. We are decorating for Christmas, so I gotta show you all the new decorations that we've got going on, outside and inside. I've got both kids watching some TV. One's watching a show and the other one's watching Blue Beetle. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast, girl. Girl, I swear my day be flying. I already did breakfast. They're doing school. I'm also doing a little laundry right now.
Can you help me do this one? This one's actually very hard.
Guys! Hi, cutie.
Hi.
But right now I'm making lunch. I'm going to go ahead and catch up on some videos that I haven't been able to watch, as well as edit, because I have a lot of TikToks to edit. Let's hang out together. It is currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm starting this vlog off a little bit late. It's been kind of an ugly day today. We're expecting our first snow in Colorado, in my area, today, tomorrow, this weekend. So it's ugly and gloomy and very cold outside. So we are in the midst of decorating for Christmas, preparing for Thanksgiving, along with cleaning the house and cooking lunch, so the house looks a mess. But let's pick this up a little bit. I did also do a little bit of a grocery run. There you go. I did also do a little bit of a grocery run, so there is a bunch of stuff everywhere. If you guys have any tips for like flat hair, please let me know, because I am so over it. I don't know what to do with my flat hair. For a while, I was using the Color Wow volumizing foam, and that works very well if you do it correctly. Today I didn't do it correctly, so bear with my hair. Not much actually. Creamer for my coffee. Juice for my children. My toddler decided she wanted this juice. If you love salad, especially the Olive Garden one, you have to get their dressing. There's this like cold chicken salad that I make. I've been craving it for the past I don't know how many days, so honestly I might make it tomorrow for lunch, because I feel like that's a lunch vibe. But it's basically just lettuce, cheese, chicken, cucumbers, pepperonis, banana peppers, this dressing, and like the colorful spiral pasta. I might be forgetting something, I'm not sure. Oh, purple onions. I don't know what else. I'm also gonna make a meatloaf for dinner. I haven't made one in years, but I'm gonna attempt to make one today. So I need some stuff for that. So I got some Worcestershire sauce, some honey. I'm also gonna make some cabbage, some fried cabbage on the side with bacon, and some cornbread with honey and butter. Delicious. So I got that. I got some soda to go on the side. Soda's not the best, but you know, I did grab some. Oh, and the kids like these muffins. These are the little bites, the chocolate chip ones. They have the blueberry ones and the, oh, apparently they have the confetti ones and the chocolate ones. Personally, I've only tried the blueberry and the chocolate. Those are really good. I've heard the confetti ones are not good. This chicken stuffing to mix in with my meatloaf, because I've seen that going around. Adds like more flavor and like more texture to it. So hopefully that's good. I'm crossing my fingers that it comes out good. So, and I found the world's best mac and cheese, Beecher's handmade cheese. This, they had a sample, we tried it, delicious. So I went ahead and I got the big badge, and I'm making that for lunch for everybody with some chicken nuggets. Girl, let's keep it simple because dinner gonna be extravagant.
Joy, hope, no.
I'm gonna have some of these potato chips with my lunch. I did the mac and cheese and then some dino nuggets. And I laughed because I had the Chick-fil-A nuggets and instead I used these. But it's okay. I'm gonna drink me a Red Bull because girl, I need some energy. I need to go organize some clothes, edit some TikToks while the baby is sleeping.
You guys! And then, dino chicken nuggets and some mac and cheese. No, mac and cheese from Costco.
Delicious. Currently we have this cute little tree right here and that little wreath and Mr. Santa Claus. Alright, not the cutest, but came out delicious. I'm gonna go eat now. Because girl, that was definitely a adventure. These help a lot with like stress control, electrolytes, all kinds of stuff. So, I'm gonna try these. Go to my showcase on TikTok, and I promise you girl, these help a ton. All I do is open it, throw it in my brewmate with some water, and sip it. This is the blood orange flavor, and it tastes good. Just close it, shake it all up. It's now time for showers. I did already finish my laundry and clean up the kitchen because girl, I had a mess. But let's go do showers. I still need to show you the decor. We've got so much Christmas decor going. Look at the dog. Wow! You turned it on already. Let's go. Oh my gosh. When I tell you I'm exhausted, I'm exhausted. Before I forget, guys, here's our Christmas tree. Isn't she just cute? Then we have like the little train at the bottom, our stockings. See that? But it's sparkling. And then we got this beautiful pink nutcracker. Got this beautiful little addition as well. Dad loves to buy these big old plants on Christmas. And we've got our cute Santa's cookie jar. We've got our cute little Christmas cow, and then our gingerbread. We've got her and the Santa Claus. He turns on, but my child is terrified of him, so I don't turn him on. Then we've got this table right here with this beautiful Christmas house, and that turns on. And if you see the deer, he turns on as well. So that's what we've got going on over here. Here we have a couple of Christmas tree. That's the countdown. We've got our beautiful little setup with Jesus. We have this pink nutcracker. Then some more decor right here. And we're still finishing up the shelves, but somewhat, we're almost done somewhat, but yeah. Then we have our Santa Claus and his deer. We've got the elves. They're coming out. And then upstairs we do have another Christmas tree. And then we've got Santa coming off of that Christmas tree. I don't think we're finished outside, but so far this is what we've got. The welcome sign with a couple of Christmas trees. And then we have our 3 snowmen and our blow up Santa Claus race car. There's Christmas lights on the house. I just need to turn them on. And then we've got this beautiful wreath and my snow dog. Skincare, brush my teeth, and go to bed. If you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with your mama, your auntie, your uncle, and I'll see you guys next week. Johnny Bobby.